2026 luxurious Toyota Hiace Motorhome Camper Van. Full review. Car Informational TV. The 2026 Toyota Hiace Motorhome Camper Van is a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and practicality, tailored for travelers and adventure enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on luxury while on the road. Toyota has gone the extra mile in this model to ensure that it serves not just as a means of transport, but as a fully functional living space on wheels. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or looking for a mobile office with all the amenities of home, the 2026 Hiace Camper Van is designed to meet all your needs. Exterior design. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota Hiace Camper Van maintains the signature solid and professional look of the Hiace family. However, this version is significantly enhanced with premium elements that clearly distinguish it as a high-end motorhome. It features a slightly raised roof for added interior space, large tinted windows for privacy and light control, and elegant body lines that give it a modern and streamlined look. The LED headlights and taillights add a futuristic appeal, while the alloy wheels and chrome accents enhance the premium feel. Interior comfort and luxury. Step inside, and the transformation is remarkable. The interior is crafted to feel like a compact luxury apartment. High-quality materials, such as leather, soft-touch plastics, and wood grain finish are used throughout. The van is divided into functional zones: a driving area, a living space, a kitchenette, and a sleeping area. Every inch of space is utilized smartly. The driver and front passenger seats are fully adjustable captain's chairs with lumbar support and heating, ensuring comfort even on long drives. Behind the front seats is a cozy lounge area with a convertible sofa bed, a LED TV with surround sound system, and ambient lighting for a homely feel. A foldable dining table is neatly stowed away when not in use. Kitchen and utility features. The kitchen area is compact yet fully functional. It includes a sink with running water, a 2-burner gas stove, a microwave, and a compact refrigerator. Storage cabinets and drawers are cleverly placed to hold utensils, dry goods, and kitchen tools. The surfaces are finished in stain-resistant materials, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Additionally, a small but well-designed bathroom is included, featuring a chemical toilet, a foldable sink, and a compact shower with hot water. This makes the camper van perfect for longer journeys where rest stops may not always be available. Sleeping arrangements. The sleeping area is perhaps the most impressive feature. The sofa easily folds out into a double bed with a memory foam mattress. There's also an optional pop-up roof tent with an additional sleeping area for two, making the camper suitable for small families. All sleeping areas come with reading lights, USB charging ports, and blackout curtains to ensure restful sleep, technology, and safety. Toyota has loaded the 2026 Hiace Camper Van with the latest tech and safety features. The infotainment system includes a 12-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated GPS, and voice command support. Wi-Fi connectivity and multiple USB charging ports are spread throughout the van. In terms of safety, it includes Toyota's Safety Sense package, which offers adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera view, and automatic emergency braking. Driving a large camper van has never felt safer or more controlled. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Hiace Camper Van comes with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine delivers smooth power and efficient performance, even when the van is fully loaded. With enhanced suspension tuning and improved insulation, road noise is minimal and ride comfort is significantly upgraded from previous models. Fuel efficiency is quite respectable for a vehicle of this size, averaging around 11 to 13 km EL depending on load and driving conditions. The van also includes a dual battery system to power the interior appliances without draining the main battery. Final verdict. The 2026 Toyota Hiace Motorhome Camper Van is a game-changer in the world of mobile living and luxury travel. It perfectly blends the rugged reliability Toyota is known for with the luxurious features of a modern home. Whether you're a digital nomad, a travel vlogger, or a family that loves road trips, this camper van offers a complete solution with no compromises. From a reviewer's standpoint, the Hiace Camper Van offers excellent value considering the level of comfort, technology, and reliability it delivers. Toyota has managed to turn a practical van into a luxurious and functional living space that truly feels like a home away from home. Thanks for watching my video.